Hi friends, today we'll discuss about three stocks which are actually trading near their respective bottom zones and trying to break out from the resistance zones and trying to make a up move. The first stock that we are going to discuss today is Walchand Industries. This is Walchand Industries weekly chart. You can draw this trend line from here to here and you will see that it is near to its breakout zone. And interestingly, if you draw the trend line like from here, then you'll see the price is already broken out. This is a long term trend line and price is already broken out from the long term trend line. So keep a stop loss near 43 and observe. The price may go in this fashion towards the upward side. If you do not know what Walchand Industries does, the company deals with defense equipment, aerospace engineering, sugar factory, submarine instruments, missile equipments. Once upon a time during 2007, this stock was trading at around 12,000. Yes, it was trading at 12,000 that time. So keep a watch on this stock. It is now at its bottom level and trying to make an up move. So please add this stock in your watch list. Our next stock for today's discussion is VIP clothing. So this is the weekly chart of a VIP clothing, and if you draw a trend line from here to here, then you can see the price is already broken out from the trend line. And interestingly, this breakout is important because it is forming after a rounding bottom formation. So this indicates a bullish signal for this stock, and keep a stop loss near 20 and try to observe the movement. The price can move in this manner. Our next stock is Sakuma Exports. This is the weekly chart of Sakuma Exports, and if you draw a trend line, you can see price here also it is already broken out from that trend line. And look at the volume. This volume formation is happening near the breakout. That means it is now ready for a big move. And this breakout is preceded by a rounding bottom, which again validates our view. Keep a stop loss near 11 and you can see the price can move towards the upward side. So please add Walchand Industries Limited, Sakuma and VIP clothing to your watch list. Observe the price movement of these three stocks, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for your valuable time.